So if you don't, I said that we weren't going to add any liquid to this, but if you don't have enough oil and these greens start to burn, you can just hit it with just a little bit of white wine. So we're going to stir this up so that our garlic and our spices have all incorporated. Then we're going to go ahead and place these around the edge of the plate. Try to make sure your garlic is distributed evenly. And we're going to come to our rice. The liquid is just about all absorbed. So give it a final stir. It should be very, very fragrant. Kidney beans should be heated all the way through. Make a nice mound here. And we'll come back to our shrimp. We'll give that another little toss. We'll take a bed of these thin onions and we'll place them here up on top. We'll dig out our shrimp. You can see that it's nicely coated with our oregano. Give another small group of onions and just a touch of the marinade over the top. So here we have sauteed garlic greens with our Cuban red beans and rice and our Spanish shrimp or escabeche.